You see, it's more, that's what we didn't look at social media as doing on a campaign to campaign basis, as I was telling you. We are looking at a long-term conversation basis. We are not interested to just to do like, like in a traditional medium, like, we did this month one campaign or one activity, how it really did. Obviously, we do a lot of tactical activities kind of thing. We did a couple of activities on Twitter, or like 1001 gifts, and there's another small activity we did Twitter. We also trended those 2 days in the top 5 with Twitter. So it is not about just having activity measurement. What we are definitely, we are putting a tool, Ajay is telling before, to measure the reach and engagement level. Our objective to that, we should score very highly, not only in insurance and BFSI segment. More importantly, like, the conversation is being valued by people. That's more important. Third thing is like, when I'm looking, obviously YouTube can give you views kind of thing. But is that like YouTube is going as a first medium for someone to really get information? So here the measurement is slightly different. So what we are, it is not just, we are having our videos in YouTube. Objective of a YouTube strategy is like, how the video can be embedded in all the mails, all the communication there. So let's say you are reading something about it, you want to know how it happens, you can click the video and see it. You get a mail, you get an embedded link, you want to know more, you can actually see the video. So how the video can become the first place where you go to get information, rather than just, it is in the side, you do a campaign to get views. I use a celebrity, do a campaign, or or spend money in offline media, or I promote it through YouTube, you get views. So you get a campaign measurement. So there are multiple such measurements also available. We do those kind of measurement. But our long-term measurement is like Ajay was telling, like, how can I, because this is a new space. Insurance is a difficult category to connect. It is not, we are not in a fashion space, or we are not in a space which is like, something like a Harley Davidson or something, where people are genuine following for those kind of brands. So we are not what we call as like brands which are youth oriented. So we are a very serious brand. But how to really crack social media in terms of people really follow for some things which they don't get in any other place? How can I actually come across as a friend, as a expert platform, and talk and have conversation around life as a whole, and conversation around Sarvata Kejio, conversation around how you can how can you understand financial products better, how can we educate you better in terms of making your choices. So it's about that. So our measurement is that, have I really succeeded in that goal, rather than just making campaign parameter measurement and internally saying that we have done a great job in terms of campaign parameter.